Stuffed dates are a great healthy dessert or coffee time snack. Today we're doing them 4 ways for your every flavor craving. The first filling is made with crushed Maria cookies, ground cinnamon, and crunchy peanut butter. The second filling has ground walnuts, granola, orange blossom honey, and a little bit of orange blossom extract. Third up, we have ground cashews, shredded coconut, plain halava, and vanilla extract. Lastly, we're going savory with French feta cheese, crushed pistachios, dried cranberries, and dried thyme. With all of these fillings, you mix everything until the ingredients bind together. I usually store my dates in the freezer, so if you're like me, you will want the dates to thaw for about an hour before you start slicing them. Now slice up your dates carefully with a paring knife from stem to the other side of the date and remove the seed, and then open the date as much as possible to make room for that filling. Using a very small spoon really gives you an advantage when you're filling the dates. Pack the filling as tightly as possible into the date, and then you can move on to topping the date with some garnish. Add a little color and flavor to the top of your date by pressing it into a little bit of crushed pistachios and cranberries. The halava filling uses the same method to stuff the dates. This time you will top the dates with some more shredded coconut. The peanut butter filled dates are my favorite because it tastes actually like a Butterfinger inside the date. You'll top these with some crushed banana chips. I'm keeping it pretty simple with the dates that have crushed walnuts and granola in them. We'll be topping them with a little more granola for extra crunch. Now you have a variety of 4 kinds of stuffed dates, all with different flavors and ingredients. Great for your next coffee break, or even pack them up for a nice gift for a foodie friend. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe.